This is Louisville Visitor Center, and this is 4th Street, South 4th Street. Thank you for taking the time to check out my YouTube video. We'll take a little walk around what looks like the main part of Louisville. Louisville's a pretty big city. I'm used to Detroit, so we'll do a little video out here. And hopefully you like what you see. I noticed there's a lot of places for bourbon and whiskey. You got the Hyatt right here. It's pretty clean as far as like the city itself. You know, I've always just passed around here. But like straight ahead, it looks like it's like the main area. 4th and Liberty. Yeah, I'm used to being in Detroit, so everything that you see right now is new to me. But it looks like right here, this 4th Street, looks like a place with a lot of bars and stuff. Pretty lively place. We'll keep the video going. Yeah, this is all new to me right here. Everything they got going on right now. These don't even look open. Everything that you're seeing right now, I'm seeing for the first time. Because I normally just pass through. But it's looking like a very cool place. The city so far is pretty clean. It says Bourbon District right here. It's a lot of bourbon, a lot of whiskey, a lot of bars in general. This is 4th Street Live. I have no idea this place even existed. And you know, you got fudge and ice cream right there. Security. It's kind of early in the day. It's like 3 p.m. But you got like 4th Street Live, and it looks like they got a band that usually plays sometimes. Some security. Maybe there's something getting ready to go on. I don't know. But they got this whole thing, this area right here. Yeah, very cool. Maybe it's for like the World Cup or something. Oh, Brazil. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of Brazilian. But not a lot of Brazilian. A couple of Brazilian people there. But yeah, you got places to eat up there, it looks like. Yeah, it's very nice. See, I think there's something getting ready to happen. And I'm just walking through. Looks like they're gonna block stuff off. But yeah, anyways, that's what it looks like. We'll keep going. Brazilian steakhouse. Yeah, I wish I could stay around here a little bit longer. You got a couple of cool murals right here. Hey, I'll ask this guy, the security guard up here. We'll kind of turn around and look back at it. But definitely, next time I come through Louisville, I'm gonna have to check it out. It looks like it's gonna be pretty busy. We'll keep going on through here. Yeah, 4th Street. I'm gonna make a right up here at the street, Muhammad Ali. Hey. Eddie Merlot. Oh, I was supposed to ask him. But I'm pretty sure it's like a Brazilian thing. All right. Oh yeah, like Brazilian. That's probably what it is. All these places. I see a lot of Brazil uniforms. I parked over on 7th Street, so we'll walk a little bit that way. Hopefully you guys are liking Louisville so far. Yeah, I'm gonna have to remember that place. Maybe stay at night. Go check it out. Kentucky Towers. It's a pretty affordable place to stay as far as from what I can see. You know, obviously you have upper class restaurants, and then you have normal eating. Same thing with that looks like some graffiti way up there in the top. Same thing with the hotels. So you can definitely come out here on a budget. See this older place right here? Now we're going towards, away from the downtown right here. And like everything over there, I assume, is where it's all going on. But I parked right over here. So we're gonna look at that. The Business Women's Club used to be something. I think there's gonna be a couple good buildings. It says 1899 to 1911. The flats on 5th. Looks like a pretty nice place to stay right there. Yeah, all this right here. I like the older buildings more than the modern buildings, you know what I mean? Looks like we're gonna go across right here. We might end up going that way. Yeah, we'll end up going down that way. I don't know what that is down there. All right, hopefully you guys like this little tour that I'm doing of Louisville. Say hi to me. You'll be able to see me. I'll be in Kentucky for a little bit. So it looks like parking live right up there. That would be the parking for what we just saw. It's very quiet though for middle of the day. It's a beautiful place. Look up there. Rectory, 250th. Yeah, I really enjoy doing these YouTube videos. If you're from Kentucky and you're watching this, I usually am in Detroit doing videos. So if you're interested in seeing Detroit, that's where I'm usually at. 1849. Yeah, so far I'm impressed with the city. Especially I notice how clean it is. You know, I did see a couple homeless people here and there, but nothing really big. 4th Street Live, exit only. So on the other side of all that. Yeah, so like I assume on the other side of all this is where you can enter that 4th Street Live. All right, and I always try to make sure I don't videotape people. But yeah, now we're starting to go towards where I'm parked. So like all this will be, on the other side of all this would be the downtown. I believe the police station isn't that far, like the main police station. But I haven't really seen a lot of people. And I haven't seen any police officers at all since I've been down here for the last like hour. Not even a cop car. Just those security guards. Got the Duncan and the Chase. I think I see some type of memorial over here. We'll walk to check it out. Looks like it's gonna be, see this Stockyards Bank and Trust? There's a memorial over there. I'll end the video over there. But so far I'm liking what I see in Kentucky, Louisville. I'm more closer to Elizabethtown, which is another nice city. Not a big city, but enough going on to keep you busy. We'll keep going out here. See, I parked on 7th. This is 5th. Oh yeah, I know, I'm gonna show you. Hopefully you guys are still with me. I think this is gonna be like a city hall or something. We'll cross the street right now. Yeah, so it's hard to believe when you're in a major city like this, there's nobody around. And then you go to some places like New York, Philadelphia, DC, it's just so packed with people. Sometimes I like coming to a bigger city like this. Yeah, there's graffiti on there. Sometimes I like coming to a bigger city like this and just having kind of, you know, I guess that's where it's more like abandoned. I don't know what that place used to be. Smith, 5th Street. Yeah, but that whole place is abandoned. Yeah, see, like nobody around. South 5th Avenue. But that'd be a cool place to see. Oh no, it says, I'm not looking at this, guys. I'm looking at the building over there. Kentucky Home Life Building. So one time that was abandoned. Kentucky Home Life Building. All right. We'll come on over here. Yep, 250th Louisville. You can see some of the beautiful architecture. Some of these buildings. That City Hall, that's the City Hall where that clock is. That's where I'm gonna end the video. But yeah, if you have any questions about Louisville, I'll do my best to answer them. But I'm not here often. But I'm sure I can answer a couple questions. But it looks like a pretty cool city to check out. Louisville Metro Hall. And you're not too far from caving. Which is why, one of the reasons why I'm here. Yeah, there, White Castle. That's like the most trash I've seen. Seriously. They must have had some type of a parade going on in here or something. Yeah, we'll go. I'll show you what this is all about over here. And we'll end the video. But yeah, this is the courthouse up here. City Hall, I mean. It seems like most city halls and courthouses are very nice in cities, you know? Like the actual city buildings themselves. Even like this. What is this over here? Yeah, I don't know. Government building. Yeah, City Hall, AD 1871. And you see like just the detailing up there and all this. Flag 6. Yeah, Hollywood, Homewood Suites. More places to stay. Yeah, all this. It's really nice. We're gonna go across the street here. I thought there was somebody in that building. So yeah, very clean. Yeah, that's City Hall right there. And I parked over there. My vehicle is still there, so that's all good. That's my little mini tour of Louisville. Hopefully you liked it. I'm sure there's more to the city, but you know, it's looking like it's a pretty clean city. And I wasn't expecting that 4th Street to see that. So that's gonna give me more of an incentive to come check it out. I'm gonna just try to kind of walk over here. Yeah, that's the City Hall. And then, oh wow. Look, there's graffiti up there. Up at the very top, somebody did. See it up there? Somebody graffitied up there. All right, everything's looking all good. That's the rest of Louisville. That's it for Louisville until I come back. And if you have any questions, just put them in the comment section and take care.